today for the Bitcoin and crypto prices. And honestly, guys, let me quickly check here. It's like 1:30 in the morning here in Dubai. I actually wanted to go asleep, but I can't, because I have to talk about what's happening here right now for the Bitcoin price. And we are right now testing a crucial area. With a crucial area, I mean this support area at 56,000 US dollars, which I told you, I think we are going to hold it. Now the question is, are we going to hold it? This is something I want to talk about. This is actually a scenario which I missed on talking about before, and I want to talk about it before it's too late. Guys, this is definitely a special one. And yeah, anyway, let me just go straight into it. The only thing I want to ask you for is please like this video. Let's pump this video to 12,000 likes. As our last videos are constantly crushing to 10,000, I am very sure that we can crush to 12,000 right now. With this, you are showing me you want these updates in a time-sensitive manner. No matter when, whenever it's necessary, I am going to stay awake and I am going to push these updates to you. All I am asking for is the small like button and of course your favorite altcoins down below. As tomorrow I'm going to talk about Elrond. I am going to talk about other altcoins as well. Now I get you sorted here on Bitcoin. As you know, Bitcoin is ruling the game and showing us where we are going forward here, especially also for the altcoin section. So now let's start with the charts. On the left hand side, I want to talk about this potential distribution pattern. You see it in the title. Then I want to show you how it looks in the textbook, whether we are in that right now or whether this is just a trap. I was uploading a video earlier, Bitcoin and crypto, it's a trap. So we will elaborate on that as well. And I want to show you exactly how we can spot whether we are going to go lower below the 50,000 US dollar price levels, or whether we are going to get a volume supported bounce back into the 65,000 US dollar areas and then potentially even higher to 74,000 US dollars. I want to tell you exactly how we can spot what's going to happen for Bitcoin. So I am going to talk about this. I am going to talk about this. And obviously I am going to share with you all the necessary updates. So first of all, what we can see here is a typical distribution pattern. The last time I was talking about that was, fast forward, this is the 4-hourly, boom, 1-hourly candles back here when in February, March and April, we were forming this bearish distribution pattern. I was telling you, I was not predicting, I was telling you, hey guys, if we are breaking below this key level, I am expecting this distribution pattern to play out and my worst case scenario to be 29,000. I didn't say we are going to do that, but I said if we break below the 48K level, this is gonna happen. This is what happened. We went 18,000 US dollar lower. Right now, I'm telling you the same. I'm not telling you we are going to break my very important support area, which was previously resistance. I wanna tell you exactly what is going to happen when we are breaking it. This is what makes a successful trader. And everyone who wants to go down now in the comment section and laugh and spit at the MMCrypto community and say things like, ooh, you say either this or that. This is how a successful trader actually operates. When A happens, we do A. When B happens, we do B. And no matter what happens, we are prepared for the scenarios to come. This is why the MMCrypto community is so successful. So what we are finding ourselves here in is an A or B scenario. Scenario A, us getting actually a bounce here very, very soon, maybe even creating a higher high for Bitcoin, or at least a double bottom here and a W formation with a break above the neckline at 60,000 and a price target of 64,000 US dollars. When do we know this is going to happen? When we are closing a 4-hourly candle above the 60,000 US dollar level. Closing a 4-hourly candle above would actually initiate a most probable W pattern breakout to the upside with a price target of exactly 64,400 US dollars. With that being said, I didn't point out this bearish scenario here for no reason, because recently I was elaborating a lot on the bullish scenario, a lot on something which I still think is the highest likelihood, us actually holding this support area. We are still holding it. Don't forget that, guys, we are still in that support area. So my bullish scenario is still the more likely one. However, when we break it, we want to know what's going to happen. So in this textbook pattern, we have phase A, phase B, phase C, phase D, and phase E. And this is called, dear ladies and gentlemen, the Wyckoff the Wyckoff distribution schematic. The bullish version is of course the accumulation schematic, where the whales are accumulating and actually accumulating until the bears are running out of steam and then pumping it towards the upside. This is the exact opposite, where the bears are selling into the pumping pressure of the bulls in this crazy exuberant bull market, and eventually when the bulls are losing steam, they are pressing the price lower and buying back once we are getting this massive sell-off. This is exactly what happened time and time again for Bitcoin, what happened time and time again for altcoins, but specifically for Bitcoin, this is a very, very popular pattern, and this is one which is potentially going to play out. However, the only way we can confirm that this is gonna be playing out is when we are breaking below the previous rejection point here, when we are breaking below this wick here in phase E. So fast forward back into our Wyckoff accumulation pattern. Right now, we have completed all of these phases, and yes, this is not a perfect one, but generally we are in the shape and form of an accumulation pattern, where we have a selling secondary test, a selling climax, right? You have all of these things actually in alignment, a high, higher high, higher high, just like here, high, higher high, and so on, also higher lows, and then eventually breaking it. These distribution schematics, they are basically just there to wreck people, right? That's exactly what these ones are for, and now I can tell you it didn't play out yet. So as far as this is not playing out, no red alert for anyone. I want to tell you before the fact. I want to tell you before this can potentially play out. So once we are getting, and this is important, not a 4-hourly candle, but a daily candle close below this level with volume support, this is when I get very cautious, guys, because that is in alignment perfectly coinciding with the break of our previous resistance, which is then turning into support. And if this is happening, dear ladies and gentlemen, then I want to quote a bearish price target, and only then I want to quote a bearish price target. And that bearish price target is located at the 52,000 US dollar areas, potentially even wicking below. And this is something I want to know right now, guys. Do you want the full truth and nothing but the truth? Do you want me to talk about these scenarios as well? I asked the same question when we were up here before we were breaking down, and I got so many people actually basically laughing at us here. I'm not even saying that out of a joke. Once we were down, these people came back, and I welcomed all of them back into the MMCrypto community, because obviously we want to be the biggest and most lovely one. Please, guys, get my point. I want to be here before it's necessary, before it's too late. So let me know, and if you appreciate this type of content, make sure you are smashing up the like button as you have never smashed it up before here in this nighttime episode, man. I really truly appreciate to do these videos with you. And obviously, guys, quick shout out here, man. If you have not joined before, vlaunch.com, go over to the Twitter tomorrow. Twitter link down below, Telegram link down below. If you are joining there, you are active. You are getting your spot in the free VPET token IDO allocation. If you are joining the community right now, before we are capping it, because it's just getting too many people, before we are capping that, go down below, click the link and be active. You are going to get your slot in the free IDO allocation. But more importantly, tomorrow, on our Twitter and on our Telegram, we are going to announce a very important announcement in regards to a bonus free allocation for another project. So join the links right now, guys. Big shout out. And obviously, if you want to trade these crazy events going forward, below that, you are going to get less than a 10,000, you know what? Less than a 50,000 US dollar free bonus in the pinned comment section down below. Go down below, sign up. Thank you so much for that, guys. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.